Hey YouTube, Jay here. In this video, you'll learn everything you need to know to start staking dTRM and getting benefits from it. We'll also give you an overview of how to get set up in this process and earn dTRM for free just by using Tradeium. So, if you'd like to learn more, then continue watching. dTRM is an ERC20 token, so it lives on the Ethereum blockchain. Like all ERC20 tokens, it has no inherent value in itself, but within the Tradeium ecosystem, it gives users a utility. So if you hold the token, you get up to half off performance fees. More specifically, holding one dTRM gives you 50% off performance fees on our trading bots of up to a balance of 0.001 BTC. So if you have 1,000 dTRM, then you get 50% off trading fees for a balance of 1 Bitcoin. This is similar to BNB on Binance, where they give users 25% off trading costs when they pay in the BNB token. There's a total supply of 500,000 dTRM, but in the initial distribution, which happened a couple months ago, we gave out 500,000, where 40% of which stays within Tradeium and the other 60% is distributed amongst active users. We plan to distribute the rest over a 4-year period where we do it about once every 3 months. We would have liked to do it every month, but the gas costs to distribute the tokens are so high right now that we extended it out to 3 months. We distribute dTRM based on your participation within the Tradeium platform, and this is mainly measured by how many fees you pay. So the more fees you pay, the more dTRM you get at the next distribution, and then the less fees you pay in the future because you get a discount. It's sort of like a loyalty program where the more active users who have larger balances and therefore pay higher performance fees over time get rewarded the most with the token and therefore pay less fees in the future. Now I'll show you how to get set up with dTRM, connect the Metamask wallet to your Tradeium account, which will qualify you to be considered for the next distribution period. The first step you'll need to do is download Metamask if you haven't already as a web extension. So go to metamask.io/download, click download and follow the simple steps. I'm on Chrome right now, and once it's installed as a web extension, you could click here and pin it. Go to wallet on Tradeium and then click connect wallet. Make sure it's the wallet that you actually want connected because within MetaMask you can have multiple wallets. Click sign. Make sure to read all of these and make sure you understand them. So the main one is that the only expectations of holding dTRM is discounts on performance fees. So no expectation of any sort of profit or anything like that. Make sure to read them all. And there you go. I don't have any dTRM right now, but if I did, it would show what discount I have relative to the BTC balance I have connected to Tradeium. Once your wallet is connected to Tradeium, as you see here, you will be considered for the next distribution period. We do have exciting new plans for future utility for the dTRM token. One example is a voting mechanism, which on the wallet page, we'll post a topic such as whether or not to add a feature to Tradeium or a new trading parameter to the trading bot, where we would show all the backtests before and after the feature and what to expect and what the intentions are. You'll be able to vote on that topic, and the weight of your vote will depend on how much dTRM you stake. Another use case for dTRM is unlocking features to users with more dTRM. As users with high dTRM stakes are more advanced users who have been using the platform for a long time and may require different features. So that may be a good use case for dTRM, as more advanced users with higher dTRM may actually like those features, while newer users with no dTRM would actually become confused and overwhelmed by such advanced features. A feature coming soon to Tradeium is the ability of users to become managers. So they would manage a portfolio of coins and allow other users to follow their portfolio, meanwhile earning performance fees in the process. A use case of dTRM with that feature is requiring managers to stake 1,000 dTRM while they're a manager. as this would prove that they've been a user for a long period of time and heavily invested in the platform. I'm sure over the coming months and years we'll find more utility for dTRM, but right now I'm really happy with the role dTRM plays within the Tradeium ecosystem as it rewards our most loyal users. If you have any questions, then feel free to join the Telegram chat in the description below, or you could email me at j@tradeium.io and I'll be happy to help you there. Make sure to like and subscribe as well.